Hey everybody, this is John Carter, and welcome to the free video for some interesting stuff that I'm setting up. I mean, of course, we have a 4-day week. Remember that. We're going to take a look at a couple of the larger markets here in the free video. One setup I like that's setting up is data. You got a daily squeeze. You got the weekly squeeze. You can see the Bollinger Bands that are sitting there. They're starting to rotate out. So this thing looks like it's about to go. A little extended, of course, had an 8% move on Friday, but this is the kind of thing that can kind of get going pretty good. So I'll be looking for any pullbacks there to set up some bullish options positions. And then, of course, if we look at Tesla, Tesla continues to cruise. We were looking for this weekly squeeze here to push it into 274. We're getting pretty close to there. We got as high as 272 on Friday. I think we can get one more push higher. If we look at the Qs, I mean the Qs here, of course, are extended, but the bullishness that's happening here is that instead of it reverting back to the mean, typically it'll revert back to the mean and continue going higher. There's so much demand right now; it's just trading sideways, and the mean, the moving average, is just coming up to it. So at this point, looking for continued pressure to the upside. And then one that I like here too is USO. So this is one I was looking at. If you look at the actual futures, you can see there's actually a squeeze. We did get a break above the low of the high bar, so it looks like now this thing is ready to head to the upside. All right, so there are a lot of interesting setups that I'm looking at this week. One of the main ones, just because we've got a shorter week, is we're going to be doing a lot of spreads and things like that on the SPX. There's, with all the economic data and things like that, the implied volatility is kicked up a little bit there, so it makes the premium good to sell. All right, got a lot of stuff to cover in the premium video, a lot of setups. I'm going to dive into that. You guys have a great rest. Hope you had a good Labor Day weekend and a good trading week, and we'll see you at the next update.